Think all exterior paints are built to last? Let's bust some myths. All paints are waterproof. Myth: not all paints are waterproof. Ordinary paints absorb moisture, leading to cracks and damage. With Armadillo Polyurethane Paint, your exterior walls are armored with waterproof protection. Dark colors fade faster. Myth: fading happens when paint lacks UV protection. Armadillo's polyurethane shield blocks UV rays, keeping colors vibrant for years. With Armadillo, your exterior walls are shielded from UV rays, ensuring vibrant colors that stand the test of time. The Armadillo Advantage. Fact: armored with polyurethane technology, SINCLAIR Armadillo fights dirt, rain, and UV damage, keeping your walls tough and long-lasting. Want paint that truly lasts? Choose Armadillo Polyurethane Paint. Available in all SINCLAIR Pro Store nationwide.